No great outcry for a Jamaican man killed by a cop in the US 2 days before George Floyd.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The family of a Jamaican-born man is seeking justice after he was shot dead during a routine traffic stop by a police trooper in New Jersey in the United States, just 2 days before the death of George Floyd. The incident occurred on the 23rd of May along the Garden State Parkway in Bass River, New Jersey. The deceased, 28-year-old Maurice Gordon, a resident of New York, was raised in Spanish Town, Jamaica. He migrated to the US at age 19, where his father was living. Gordon, who was unharmed, was shot multiple times by a white state trooper after he reportedly removed his seatbelt a number of times while he sat in the trooper's car. Reports are that on the day in question, the Jamaican native was stopped by the trooper for reportedly committing a speeding violation. When the trooper asked Gordon to drive his car to a different spot on the highway, the car would not start. The trooper then called for a tow truck. Gordon did not want to remain in his vehicle, so he was allowed to sit in the back of the trooper's car. Once in the back of that vehicle, he was made to sit there for more than 30 minutes without any information being provided, not being issued a ticket, and there was no indication that he was under arrest. Reports are that Gordon twice removed his seatbelt and put it back on as the trooper instructed. But the third time, Gordon apparently removed the seatbelt and tried to get out of the vehicle. A tussle developed between both men, during which the trooper shot Gordon multiple times. It is alleged that the trooper then handcuffed the bleeding Gordon after calling in the incident.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Yeah. You want a mask like this to wear? Yes? Yeah. You want a mask? Did you have one in your car or not? I'll go put it in the bugs out of here. Get in the car now. Get in the car. Hold on, give me another unit now. Get out of the car. Get the fuck out of the car. Get out of the car now. Get the fuck out. Get out of the car. Get out of the fucking car now. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Hold on, get me another unit. Hold on, get me another unit. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Shot fired! Wilcox, shot fired! Wilcox, shot fired!
Gordon's death came 2 days before that of George Floyd, who was killed after a white police officer knelt on his neck for almost 9 minutes during an arrest. However, Gordon's death has sadly not caught the public's attention in the United States, leaving mainly his family to try to get justice for the Jamaican.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.